Good morning, everybody. Steven from Toyota PE Motorsports. It's day 7 here at the 2019 One Lap of America. We are at Bowling Green, Kentucky at the NCM track. We had an easy 500 miles or so last night to get here. Story of the week, yep, still raining, still wet. So this is what we consider to be our home track for PE Motorsports. We have a lot of laps in this place, so that fares to our advantage. We're very familiar with the track, the technical corners of it, and the things that go with it. This track is very complex. It's 23 corners and it's 3.1 miles. So it's not an easy track to pick up and learn, which helps to our advantage. Also, the track is still wet this morning, so at least for the first session, our 2018 Camry will have a benefit because of the front wheel drive and the limited slip differential, which gives us that extra traction for traction control. So we're really excited to have that and play into our advantage. So also we have Jose Cansado with us today. Jose's been with us all week long. He's been a tremendous help in the media in the background. So I want to just give him the opportunity to talk about himself and his overall thoughts and experiences for One Lap. Jose.
Thank you. My name is Jose Cansado. I go to Florida International University in Miami, Florida. Originally I was from Cuba, came over when I was a little kid, so it's fun growing up here. This week has been very fun. Exhausting, tiring, a lot of miles, almost no sleep, but it's been fun. I've been part of the media crew on the background, filming, getting pictures, seeing the action, behind the scenes, and just it's been very, very fun. At the same time, very exhausting. Can't wait to see what today has in hand for the group. I think we'll do very good at this track since it's our home track. So that's what we have.
Thanks, Jose. So just a little bit more background. For the Toyota PE Motorsports, one of our targets is co-op participation. Over the years, it's allowed us the opportunity to have many great co-ops come through and work with us. Through this program, we've had quite a few individuals that have been hired full-time with us and continue to help with the motorsport. So it's a great outreach program for us, and Jose is a prime example of the benefits that we reap from it. His knowledge, his skill, just a great overall engineer. So we're really proud to be working with this and help develop the next generation of engineers for Toyota PE Motorsports. Stay tuned, everybody. We'll post results after the first session and give you an update, and we'll keep you all posted. Thanks.